Trowels are the most common tool in the tile trade. They all have several parts: a handle, a flat side, and a gauged side. A trowel is a gauge. We use it to gauge on the amount of thinset, our adhesive, our mortar, to bond the tile to the substrate. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. This is a very common shape and size right here, a 1/2 by 1/2 square notch. When a tile is applied to the substrate, the ridges made by these trowels must be shifted side to side so they collapse and release all of the air from underneath. Every trowel is designed to be held at a 45-degree angle, like this. Holding them at a shallower or a steeper angle will put more or less mortar on the substrate, but the installer won't be as consistent until they train their muscle memory to retain that consistent 45-degree angle. U-notch trowels collapse sometimes easier than a square notch trowel. Slant notch trowels may collapse in a different fashion and might be more efficient for setting larger tiles. Larger tiles, such as very large format tiles or gauged porcelain tiles and panels, require the use of a trowel known as a zipper or a Euro notch trowel. A Euro notch trowel puts down ridges that are shaped like this, and these ridges are not designed to be collapsed by shifting the panel or tile side to side. They're designed to be collapsed by using special vibrators and mortars that have a thixotropic property to flow when they're vibrated from above to collapse the ridges and release the air. If you need to get a large amount of mortar down on the substrate or on the back of the tile fast, use a bucket scoop like this one. Or you can use a bucket trowel like this one. Or a smaller version like this one. Or your standard 2x5 margin trowel, a tool that's indispensable for every tile installer. If your trowels are worn out, go to the store, get some new ones. They're simply not gauging on the right amount of mortar any longer. If your trowels are not getting you the coverage you need, try some of these different types that I've shown you. You might find that you're more efficient and you're getting the coverage you need to produce a long-lasting tile installation.